must say welcome to Duhaney Park, right? Duhaney Park was built around the early 1960s. The community is a vibrant community. The people are special. We are enjoying 60 years of existence. And the CDC, which I am the president for, is celebrating this achievement. We're gonna award Matalan, right? They are the company that was given this insight, this blueprint to create this wonderful and vibrant community. We're gonna give a special award to the garbage collectors. At the award ceremony, right, there's a special award category that we're gonna award to a gentleman by the name of Dr. Noel Watson, par excellence in the field of economics. He, in the 90s, he helped some of our community leaders to be a part of the tertiary education system. Over the years, we have seen the development of the clinic. We recognize that we need a community center, and we got one. Police station, the same. In the earlier days, we only had one school which was the Duhaney Park Primary School, right? We saw the building of the George Edley. You know, George Edley ranked as one of the best schools. Now we also see the Edith Dalton James High School, which is also a school that's doing well. And the basic school, I must big up the basic school. We have about 5 or 6 basic schools, which take care of the community's asset, which is the people. In the 60s, we had the development of Duhaney Park as a place where the overflow of urbanization happened, where we have a lot of civil servants and individuals who are starting their families, all right? In the 70s, there were some political influences that caused a kind of diversion from the peace to the whole aspect of people fighting against people because of political beliefs. 80% of the community has this belief that they want a better life, right? So what we see the peace process in the late 80s into the 90s coming into being. And I think I can say this, that Duhaney Park enjoys the longest peace process, the longest peace stability amongst the communities.